Alright guys, I have here a Colecovision, and I'm going to do, I actually found somebody selling 4 Colecovision consoles, and I jumped on them. I was like, yeah, I'll take it. I think I paid $75 for 4 consoles, and I plugged them in, and each of them kind of come up, but they don't do well. They need work. And I bought 4 of them, as I said, and this is the last one that I haven't taken apart yet. You can see here I have 3 Colecovision PCBs on the ground there. So I've taken the 3 apart already. And I'll take you through taking one of them apart, and then what I'm going to do is clean these things up, and I can test them out. I'll plug them in, and you can test them out like this. You don't need to have them in the case. But so I'm going to set the camera up, and there's 8 screws on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is down right there. 7 and 8. So there's 8 screws holding the back on, and it's kind of tricky to get these 2 halves apart. It's not exactly easy. You almost feel like you're breaking the thing, but you're really not. So, alright, let me go ahead and set the camera up, and we'll take this thing apart. Okay, so 8 screws, and I don't have a good long handled Phillips. I do somewhere, but I can't find it. So I'm using this, and my drill, that bit won't get, I don't have a long enough bit for my drill. It won't fit down in here, so I got no choice but to use this. So we'll get these 8 guys around here. Okay, that's all 8 screws. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, now getting these apart is fun. Basically what you got to do is you got to pry these 2 apart down here. It's ridiculous. There we go, like that. Ooh. There's a dead bug in there. Ah! Damn bugs. Alright. Get your switch, had a push button there. I'm putting all of the parts from all 4 consoles in here. Okay. Alright, you got your switch here. It's got a little wire braid soldered here. Alright. Two screws. They're all the same type of screw too. That's pretty cool. Now you got to have your soldering iron ready. You got to desolder this right here. Right down here on this corner. This thing right here is present on a couple of them and not on the others. This piece of braid right here. I am not putting it back on. It's not on some of them, it's on some of them. I'm not bothering with this big piece. It's already grounded. This is just overkill. And then that's attached right here. Just gotta heat that up. And remove that guy. Now we got two screws here and here. I like to take a peek at the edge. I've already got to replace one. I've got to replace this one too. It's damaged. And I'll show you that. Two of them looked okay. Two of them are damaged. And it just comes out. And I like to, this one says 5. I want to keep the boards with I want to keep everything together. So I'm putting a 5 on the case and a 5 on this part of the case. I can always remove that with alcohol. But this has a 5 on, I want to keep the boards with the case that they were in. So let's set that aside. Let me get this out of the way. Kind of pry this guy off of here. Okay. So let's take a look at this thing. Colecovision. It's Z80. Z80 CPU, and you'll see in here the damage. See that damaged pin right there? That's got to be replaced. If it wasn't for that damaged pin, and a couple of them are damaged there. You can see this one is kind of pushed back, and they just don't look very good either. So that is going to have to be replaced. And I've been finding, this one looks okay, but I've been finding cracked solder joints on here. This one looks okay, but I'll reflow it anyway. These switches need to be deoxided really good, and I'll reflow the solder on the connecting jacks. Yeah. Colecovision. It looks like you have two 2114 RAM right here. That is, yeah, 2114 RAM, and then there's a couple banks of, here's 8 bits basically of 4116 RAM. So it's got 8-bit. That's probably video RAM, I would think. Yeah. Colecovision, little Z80 based computer. So that'll clean up. That's one of them. I'll grab another one. Let's grab this guy right here. This one's really weird. This one, of all 4 of them, this one's got these jumper diodes over here, and they're not jumper diodes, they're just diodes soldered to the chip for some reason. I don't even know why. It looks like it's the same board. I don't know. Anyway, you'll see this one's also got damage inside there. Yeah. And some junk in there, damaged pin. These pins look really pushed back. There's a damaged pin, a couple damaged pins there. So yeah, that one's no good. But you got jumper over here. This one's got some weirdness. You know, this stuff here. Yeah, I don't know. Need to be cleaned up, that's for sure. Okay, there's that. And take a look at this guy here. And let's look at this. Not too bad, I guess. But if I'm replacing 2 of them, I'm replacing 4 of them. And yeah, this is the one with the cracked solder joint. So this is the one where the video wasn't so good. You see that? Yeah. Coleco. And this guy here. Let's take a look at this one. That one really doesn't look too bad. Yeah. This is the best looking one, I think. Yeah. Alright. Well, cool. Let's, you know what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to reflow, at least reflow the solder on the connecting jacks. I don't want that to be an issue. And then I'm not even putting cartridges down. Maybe in these couple that looked okay. But the ones that had damaged connectors, I'm not even putting carts down in them. So I think what I'll do is, first thing I'm going to do is get online and buy 4 of these. That is 0.100 pitch. What is it? What? What? What are you doing? Yeah, that's 0.100. And it looks like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1530. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1530. Yeah, so I'll get on, I'll go to Mauser and find those and buy 4 of those. I don't really think I need anything else. Yeah, just those. That'll do. And I need to buy another can of deoxit for these. You know, that'll work wonders for these. I kind of wonder if it might be better to take that apart and so I can really get into the center of it and get inside of that. Alright, I'll be back, guys. Coleco.